All right, so today we're going to be talking about how to replace your AquaPro water system's AP5 drinking water system. In the mail, you'll receive two filters, a box like this with a filter like this. Inside this box, you'll find what we call the membrane filter, okay? It's gonna have, take the plastic off, and have three little ports here. As well as, we call this an inline carbon filter. Each side has a quick connect fitting, okay? You're gonna take the plastic off of this filter as well. We're gonna quickly demonstrate how to install this filter. The filter that you currently have on your system may be a lot smaller than this one. This one is what the new one looks like if you happen to see that there is a difference. So what you're gonna do is when you disconnect this filter, you're gonna have a line on this side and a line on this side. The way this works is you just push it in, boom, and it'll never leak. As long as it went in okay. We're gonna put them in on both sides. So underneath your sink, it's gonna look something like this. The way this particular fitting works is we have what we call a ferrule right here. And the only way you'll get it out, you can't pull it. You're gonna have to push down on this gray little ferrule here and pull out at the same time. Boom. Down and out. When you put this filter back in, there is a flow direction arrow. You're gonna put this in the flow direction that it's traveling towards the faucet, okay? That being said, let's look underneath here. I'll show you what we have going on. You want to either grab a towel or a water catching mat for this next step. Ideally, if you can, you'll want to place the towel here on the floor and pull your AP5 drinking system out onto the ground for easy access. The first thing you're going to do is cut the water off to the unit. The water's first going like this, and you're going to turn it like that. When this blue handle here is offline with this fitting, the water is off. The same blue handle is down here. When you're at your home, it's going to be in line with the water line. Turn it offline to turn it off. So we're first going to turn off both blue or maybe a gray ball valve. And then you're going to turn your water faucet on. That's just simply going to depressurize either the air or the water buildup in the plumbing, so you can easily disconnect everything. So, for starters, you'll have three lines coming off of your drinking system. One's going to be green, black, and blue. The green line goes to your feed. The black one is the one putting water to the drain, and this blue one is the one going to your faucet. So we're first going to replace the one going to your faucet, and again, we're going to push in and pull out. A little bit of water is going to come out. Don't be alarmed. Push in, pull out. Place it up here in the sink. Grab your new longer filter. Just click it into place. In the proper flow direction. Now we're going to replace the membrane. So what we're going to do is take the blue cover off by pinching in a little bit to allow it to release from these clips. Grab our new filter. This filter is held on by a clip. This clip simply comes off by pulling out on each side and pulling it off. It can be a little tricky. You may want to potentially have a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver to help you out if necessary. But you're going to do both sides at the same time. The clip's going to come off. You're going to pop this filter out. Again, there may be a little bit of water. Don't be alarmed. You're going to grab your new one. Pop it into place. Push your clip back on. Make sure it fully clicks in on both sides to ensure it doesn't pop off and the filter essentially comes out of place and causes a leak. Now that we have it all hooked back up, we're going to pressure test our filters to make sure there's going to be no leak. So what we're going to do is turn both ball valves back on. We're going to flush the first set of filters. If you see the water come out a little black at first, that's completely normal. We're just flushing this first filter, okay? What you're going to do is wait for this faucet to completely stop to know that it's completely flushed. So you have stored water inside of here. When you return the tank back on, it's going to flush the filter until this water is gone. When this water is gone, you should be good to go to start drinking again. The filter will be nice and flush. Real quickly, we're going to check for leaks. Both sides of here, here. No leaks here or there. And we should be good to go. Dry up what little bit of water may be on the ground. Turn the main feed back on. Start enjoying your water again.